So full disclosure, Franz is also on the advisory board of the DebtConference. He, I think, joined last year for the first time, and very happy to have you on the advisory board, and you've helped tremendously also shape this conference. So thank you for that, Franz. I think Allianz as a group needs no introduction, and is known at least at large to everyone. You know, active not only in Germany but in Europe, globally. But the group structure, Franz, is very complex. Can you clarify your specific role within Allianz Investment Management and what Allianz Investment Management plays within the Allianz Group?
Yeah, so thank you for the introduction, and let me quickly introduce Allianz Investment Management as an organization. So we are the central investment management function of Allianz Group, so thereby responsible for the group's portfolio. So the balance sheet of Allianz Group is roughly 1 trillion, and this is the responsibility of AIM to allocate these funds. So it's the responsibility includes strategic asset allocation. It includes also investment strategy development, risk management, investment operations, and ultimately also the selection and of asset managers we want to work with in specific areas, and the execution of the strategy. So we work with all stakeholders within Allianz Group, so first and foremost the group centers, but also with our asset managers, namely Allianz Global Investors with Allianz Capital Partners, then PIMCO Prime Real Estate, which you may be familiar with under the name Allianz Real Estate. And particularly we work in our function as investment strategy with the fund of funds team at Allianz Global Investors, because they invest alongside the balance sheet of Allianz. So this is in a nutshell the role of Allianz Investment Management. So summarized, it's a central investment management function on behalf of the global insurance subsidiaries of the group.
And as you mentioned, it's the internal asset managers you work with, but external investment managers, yes, in certain spaces as well. Given this conference, and obviously focus on real estate debt, give us a little bit of insight into AIM's exposure to the asset class, specifically, obviously, also real estate debt.
Mm-hmm. So within the broader picture, so I work for the private debt team, so I focus only on debt. There we cover corporate debt, real estate debt, obviously, and also infrastructure debt. Real estate debt plays a crucial role, also for a long time already, and overall the commercial real estate debt exposure of the balance sheet entities is roughly a bit more than 30 billion euros. Most of this goes to our in-house managers.